Welcome. For the next few moments, leave the outside world outside. Here, there are no rules, no perfect lines, only texture, only imagination, and a canvas waiting to tell its story. Let's begin. The first layer is never about perfection. It is about creating a strong foundation, a place where every future texture can grow with confidence. Do not rush. Allow each movement to have meaning. Now, the palette knife begins to dance, not with force, but with rhythm. Every glide, every lift, every gentle sweep creates a conversation between your hand and the canvas. Sometimes the knife leads, sometimes the texture shows the way. And now, an ordinary bottle cap becomes an extraordinary artist's tool. Simple circles, repeated movements, quiet patterns, tiny impressions that slowly build a language only texture can speak. Creativity is never about expensive tools. It is about seeing endless possibilities. Now comes suppression, a gentle press, not to destroy, but to strengthen. Every pressure compresses the texture. Now, texture cutting begins. The blade does not remove beauty, it reveals it. Each precise cut opens new pathways. Light will later dance through these lines. Depth is born from thoughtful subtraction. Now, the artwork asks for courage, heavy textured layering, more material, more confidence, more patience. Every layer adds another chapter to the story. Every raised surface holds future shadows, future highlights, future emotions. Heavy textures have a language of their own. They invite not only the eyes, but also the imagination. You almost feel like reaching forward to touch the canvas. That is the magic of dimension. Now, we allow the artwork to rest. 1 hour of drying. Sometimes, doing nothing is the most important step in creating something beautiful. Patience is also an artistic skill. The surface is ready once again. Now begins textured carving. Every gentle line adds another layer of character. The artwork begins to breathe through its own details. one final drying, a quiet pause, before color awakens the canvas. Because every beautiful color deserves a surface ready to receive it. Take a moment and simply feel the texture, the raised edges, the flowing lines, the silent valleys. Even without color, the artwork already has its own soul. Now, color arrives one shade at a time. Golden yellow, bringing warmth like the first light of a new morning. Black, introducing mystery and quiet strength. Burnt umber, grounding everything with the timeless beauty of the earth. And then the melody begins. Every brushstroke moves with rhythm. Every color finds its place. The painting starts singing without a single word. Now, white steps onto the stage for the very first time. Soft, gentle, a quiet glow, bringing light to the texture. Black returns, not to overpower, but to deepen, to create natural contrast. Because every highlight needs a shadow. Now, gold and bronze joins the composition, a gentle shimmer, a graceful reflection, a touch of elegance that changes with every angle of light. White returns for its second appearance. Brighter, bolder, more alive, the artwork begins to reveal its true personality. And now, white returns once again, like the main character, making a powerful entrance, bringing harmony, balance, and life. One final touch of white, the grand finale, the finishing breath, the last highlight that completes the entire story. And now, the moment we've been waiting for, the reveal, simple materials transformed into depth, emotion, movement, and timeless beauty. Thank you for creating with me. Keep exploring, keep experimenting, keep listening to your imagination, and I'll see you in the next creation.